Hi and welcome back to Eric's Kitchen, where we cook it up, serve it up, and eat it up. I found these new skates. I'm gonna go downtown to try them. My car, like the check engine light isn't on, but there's that beeping. I don't know what it means, but you know, it's one of those things you just ignore until it goes away. Like the check engine light. Don't forget, dude. Oh, I've got a whole lot of cool stuff in my trunk. But hey, safety first.
2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
It's a lot warmer than I thought it would be today. I'm gonna wear a flannel. Hopefully I don't get too cold, but it feels really nice. Spring is definitely here, and I'm super happy about that. Ooh. Well, at least I know I'm a lot better than I thought I would be. I do feel like a loser wearing this helmet, though. I feel like I look like a weirdo. It's days like this where you gotta get out and do something. Super nice outside. Really glad I took my jacket off. Really don't like wearing helmets. That was fun and all, but I'm really out of shape, and that hurt my ankles a little bit. Oh, it's so much better, dude. Okie dokes, folks, and we're back. But I got a little cranky one with me here because we're hungry. I think we're gonna go to A&W. And then after that, we're gonna go to Ikea!
And we're gonna eat there too.
And then we're gonna eat there too.
Yep.
I'm running a little low on gas though. For those of you who don't know, I've actually ran out of gas
3 times
while driving. So I'm not gonna have that happen to me today. I just found these and they're pretty cool. I think I'm gonna get Courtney one as a surprise. Which one would she like? I think she would like this one actually. I'm gonna put this one back. I'm gonna surprise her. I got you something, dude.
Aw, how sweet.
You like it?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Well, we missed our exit to go to A&W. I heard they have some mad Swedish meatballs though. Some mad Swedish meatballs. Okay, so Ikea's off to a weird start, but I'm still excited. All right, so we are there. We have to go there. We made it to the place, to the only place that matters. And there they are, the Swedish meatballs. Hello there. You know how it never looks like the actual picture? It looks like the gosh darn picture, dude. Look at that.
Some mad Swedish meatballs.
I don't know. I've never had salmon with bagels before, so I'm gonna gosh darn try some, dude. Alrighty. Well, let's give that a go. Oh no, it doesn't look... I don't see what everybody's big fuss is about. It's alright. It's pretty good. I'm a guy who likes a lot of foods, so it'd be pretty hard to feed me something that I don't like, you know? Now, like I said, I like a lot of foods, but this doesn't necessarily look the best. But I'm still gonna try it. Can't really get on board with that one, dude. I would rate all this probably maybe like a 5.8. Would you agree?
Maybe a 5.
Some mad Swedish meatballs.
Dude, can you imagine? This is what Fred Flintstone comes home to put his freaking head on. Wilma, got a new boulder today. It says it's made out of memory foam, dude. Well, this memory foam forgot.
Why can't you make that picture?
Dude, I don't know. Dude, Courtney, what are you doing?
He moved in.
Dude.
Those my man's pants.
Damn, Courtney.
What?
Damn.
You crazy.
I wanna, can you picture like your picture being up there?
Me? Or my dog?
Somebody, just a picture.
One too.
Oh, shoot.